Slide 1 start. What if I told you that somewhere in some other universe you made a different choice this morning? That in another reality you took a different path, chose a different career, or even that humanity evolved completely differently? Today, we're diving into the mind-bending realm of alternate histories and parallel universes. The concept of parallel universes isn't just science fiction anymore. It's rooted in some of our most sophisticated scientific theories. Quantum mechanics, that bizarre realm of subatomic particles, suggests that every time a quantum event occurs, reality splits into multiple branches. Let's start with the scientific foundation. In 1957, physicist Hugh Everett proposed the many-worlds interpretation of quantum mechanics. Imagine a tree growing new branches at every quantum event, each branch representing a different possible outcome, a different universe. But parallel universes come in different flavors. Max Tegmark, a renowned physicist, categorizes them into 4 levels. Level I universes exist in infinite space, containing all possible variations of our universe. Think of it as an infinite cosmic landscape, where everything that can happen does happen. Level II universes arise from cosmic inflation bubble universes spawning eternally, each with potentially different physical constants. Imagine soap bubbles forming and separating, each containing its own universe with unique properties. The level III multiverse brings us to quantum mechanics and those branching timelines we mentioned earlier. Every quantum possibility spawns a new universe. That means there could be countless versions of you out there, living slightly or dramatically different lives. Level IV takes us into the realm of mathematical universes, where every mathematically possible universe exists. This is perhaps the most mind-bending concept of all, suggesting that reality itself is a mathematical structure. But what about alternative histories? This is where quantum decoherence comes into play. Each quantum event creates a branching point where history splits into multiple paths. Think of it like a cosmic game of choose-your-own-adventure, playing out on an infinite scale. These branch points aren't just theoretical. They're happening constantly at the quantum level. Every interaction between particles creates new possibilities, new timelines, new universes. The mathematics behind this is beautiful and bizarre. Consider this. In quantum mechanics, particles exist in multiple states simultaneously until observed. This superposition of states suggests that reality itself might exist in multiple versions until observed or decided. But how can we test these theories? Scientists are developing increasingly sophisticated experiments. The quantum interference patterns we observe might be evidence of interaction with parallel universes. Some theorists suggest that dark energy might be evidence of other universes pulling on our own. Current research in quantum computing is particularly relevant. Each quantum bit exists in multiple states simultaneously, perhaps tapping into these parallel realities. Could quantum computers be our first window into the multiverse? The implications are staggering. If parallel universes exist, what does this mean for free will, for causality, for the nature of reality itself? These questions bridge the gap between physics and philosophy. Some scientists propose that these parallel universes might not be entirely separate. Quantum entanglement might provide a connection between different branches of reality. Could we someday find a way to detect or even communicate across these branches? The future of this field is incredibly exciting. New theoretical frameworks and experimental techniques are being developed. We might be on the verge of finding concrete evidence for parallel universes. As we conclude, remember that these theories, while speculative, are based on serious scientific research. They push the boundaries of our understanding and challenge our perception of reality itself. Perhaps somewhere out there, in another universe, you're watching a slightly different version of this video, contemplating a slightly different set of possibilities. The multiverse reminds us that reality might be far more vast and wonderful than we ever imagined.